Just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast in Daphne, Alabama. We have this 2011 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT Crew Cab pickup. On the exterior of the Sierra, you'll find heated and power door mirrors with turn signal indicators, rear parking sensors, and a trailer hitch receiver. On the inside, we have comfortable leather seating for 5 with heated front seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, rear vision camera system, Bluetooth technology, and power windows and power door locks. This 2011 GMC Sierra is priced to move, and it comes with the Auto Check Buyback Protection Plan. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.